It's a bad man thing, I hear. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm glad you're here. And if you're old, welcome back. Thank you for returning. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing a review on this unit right here, and it's the Outre lace front unit in the style Ginny. And I got it in the color Cinnamon Spice. Ooh, I love it. And this hair is heat safe up to 400 degrees, and it has natural baby hair. And it's part of their HD transparent unit. And I believe this unit that's on me is part of their HD transparent unit. And this is Shireen. The video should be up, but I love it. Anyway, so I got Ginny from Elevate Style for $26.99. And this is what she looks like. Look at that color. Like, they could be sisters. But, oh yeah. It comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And this is what the lace look like. And with this lace, with this hair, with Shireen and it's Ginny, the lace are white. The lace are white. And I guess with the little HD transparent unit, the lace are like really white, but that's something you can work with. I'd rather it being white than too dark, and because once you go too dark, you can't go back. But this is the parting space, and I think this is about 4 to 5 inch of parting space. Why can't I talk? I don't know. But I love it. So I'm gonna take this one off. Eee! And we're gonna pull Ginny on. And I like Ginny already because it's a middle part, and as most of you know, I'm a middle part person. Ooh, ooh. Are we looking at the same here? Like, okay, let me stop because I sure is feeling myself. But the lace, it's not ear to ear. As you can see, it is barely stopping me. Maybe it's because how I have it, but it's not ear to ear. So that's what it looks like. That's what the hairline doesn't. It could be a little. You can pluck it if you want, but I ain't gonna pluck it. But yeah. So I will be right back. I'm gonna go cut the lace off, and we're gonna see what we're working with. Okay, guys. So this is what Ginny looks like after I cut the lace, and I try to like blend the ashy lace with my skin. And honey child, it was a struggle. I ain't even gonna lie, it took me a good minute. Like, I had to use my foundation, I used to press powder. I even used that just to get it down. Like, do you see the little white spot right there? It's still the lace. It refused the blending. It refused the blending. I don't know what, but I think I did a okay job. Let me know how I did. And I wish it was dark rooted. If this unit was dark rooted, I wouldn't have struggled as much as I did. But regardless of that, I still like the unit. And the yeah, so if I had like a tint spray, I need to get one of those, like a ebony tint spray. That would have been perfect. Like I could just spray and everything will be okay. But other than that, the unit is nice. I love the color, I love the length, and it's nice. I like it. For shedding, I'm not getting any shedding, and it has like a light silky yaki texture to it, like, and it got like a little loose curls to it, got kind of situation, which I'm loving. I love it. So I'm gonna do a 360 so you can see what she looks like all around. But yeah, guys, so let me know what you think about Jenny. So if you're new to this channel, I bow you join the family and hit the notification bell and subscribe so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. I will see you in the next one. Bye.
It's a bad man tonight.